Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our update for this Friday until Monday, August 6 to 9, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We still have 4 systems. Actually, we have 5, but the other one is being slowly absorbed into the circulation of a much stronger system. And the tropical systems outside PAR, we have Lupit, which is now moving offshore into the East Taiwan Strait, northern part of Taiwan Strait, into the East China Sea, and it may make a passage very close to Taiwan if the track will move more to the east. So this is Lupit, downgraded from 85 kph to 65 kph tropical storm, and it's now returning or emerging back to the Taiwan Strait into the East China Sea and affecting the northern tip of Taiwan within the next 12 hours. So aside from Lupit, we have here Merine. This is a tropical storm which has been upgraded yesterday. This was once Goryeo, which formed to the east of Taiwan a few days ago. And the remnants of 12W is now beginning to be absorbed by Merine as it moves towards the east-northeast at a speed of 20 kph. And we have another new LPA that has formed, but this is a very small system within the monsoon trough. This is 91W, but it has a lower chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. And to the easternmost part of the monsoon trough, we have tropical storm, severe tropical storm Nita, and it's now accelerating towards the east and away from any landmass of Asia Pacific. So these multiple systems will continue to enhance the southwest monsoon, although it's becoming drier and drier. Right now, most of the affected areas of the monsoon is somewhat dry, but there's still some isolated showers passing by, particularly over the western sections of Luzon, Ilocos Region, and Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands. Here in Naga, in Camarines Sur, there are some passing isolated showers that passed by a while ago, around 6 p.m., but it's just a short rainfall. And elsewhere, it's gonna be good but windy with some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms. And over at Mindanao, we have some good weather occurring over this island, as well as some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So far, that's the latest situation on the monsoon. It's starting to weaken as we move into another weekend. So for the next few days, the southwest monsoon will start to wane down, and we have the emergence of the easterly southeast wind flow across the western Pacific, Micronesia, and also over the areas of the south and eastern Philippine Sea. And there's a shallow low pressure areas emerging over this surface trough, the western portion of the surface trough, which is moving towards the Palau and Yap area. This shallow LPA will be closely observed because the two computer models might upgrade it into an active LPA as it moves towards the Philippine Sea. I'm gonna show it to you later, what the computer models say and what the computer models say on this new system. So far, that's the latest. If we look at our fast animation from courtesy of University of Wisconsin, you can clearly see here the 3 tropical storms moving towards the east, northeast, and some improved weather conditions, although it's still windy, can be observed across the much of the Philippine Islands. And here's the track of all Asian agencies on Tropical Storm Lupit. So it will pass over or very close to Taipei, the northern tip of Taiwan, as it moves towards the western part of Japan. So Kyushu and Shikoku Islands in Japan will be affected by tropical storm Lupit within the next 3 days. And as we look at the various computer models, let's move this. There you go. All of them are moving towards the east-northeast without any effect to our country. And here's the zoom-in satellite animation beginning around 4 p.m. until 9 p.m. Okay, or 9 this evening. As you can see, some improvement of the weather is now being observed in various portions of the archipelago, except for some showers or thunderstorms along the western sections of Luzon, including Mindoro, while the usual localized thunderstorms can be observed over some portions of central and southern Mindanao. Let's take a look at our rainfall accumulation, courtesy of windy.com, and this is from the European model. For the next 3 days until Monday, the rainfall precipitation or the rainfall activity over the western sections of Luzon will start to weaken, although there are still some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Zambales, portions of central Luzon, particularly in Nueva Ecija, Ilocos Region, as well as the mountainous areas of the Cordillera Autonomous Region, and also some portions of Occidental Mindoro, various portions of central and northern Mindanao could experience some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 3 days. And on Monday, there could be some showers and thunderstorms occurring over southern Samar, or the southeastern portion of Samar Island, because of the approach of another surface trough together with an embedded shallow low pressure area. Okay, so far here's the latest from the pressure and wind forecast from windy.com. This is for the Philippine Islands and the Western Pacific. As you can see, by tomorrow, Tropical Storm Mirene accelerates towards the east-northeast, while Tropical Storm Lupit is now moving into the East China Sea away from Taiwan and southeastern China, and the monsoon will continue to affect the northwestern portions of Ilocos Region, as well as the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands, while improving conditions or variable winds and decaying southwesterly wind flow will be expected in central and southern Philippines. And here's the shallow LPA moving across Yap area of western Micronesia by tomorrow afternoon, and on Sunday it might develop into a moderate low pressure area moving within the Philippine area of responsibility across the central Philippine Sea. So this is another system that we will be observing beginning early next week. And on Monday, the shallow LPA is now to the east of Bicol region, but it's not expected to develop. But if we look at the American model, it says otherwise. It shows that it could become a tropical depression or even a tropical storm on August 10 to 11 as it moves towards eastern Taiwan. So that's the forecast of the American model. So the European model, the LPA will start to dissipate when it moves towards Taiwan. So it's the other way around. So let's see what will happen beginning early next week, if there will be another tropical cyclone. If it does develop, it will be named locally by Pag-asa as Huaning, Huaning. It will be the 8th tropical cyclone of this 2021. Okay, so that's the latest from our forecast, taken from these two reliable computer models. So we will be back again on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.